the grumpy holler, still refuses to say a word, Jane AI, will continue to keep you informed. This time, it's all about optimizing your posting functions. Why is this necessary? For your posts to be sent out automatically, we need to remove anything that might stand in the way. The program also needs to know how it can work best for you. To do this, we make use of the much maligned cookies. Everything you do in your Chrome window is stored in the background and will be made available to you when needed. Let's start with Facebook again. At the bottom of your program, you'll see that the last button has a dual function, login and surf. You don't need to switch between the two functions, just do what you always do when logging into your account. Sign in, accept or decline cookies, fill in your login details, and voila, the problem is solved. But not quite. The issue with Facebook is the pages. Each page operates independently and doesn't know the others, which can cause some complications. If the poster later tries to move from page 1 to page 2, it can't post on page 2 because it's only a visitor there. We've solved this problem very easily. Simply log out of Facebook. This step is extremely important. If you want to post using page 2, the process will go through the usual login from the account to the page, ensuring your post is always submitted where you intend it to go. To maintain this functionality, Facebook logs out automatically after every post. That's all you need to do when using the login and surf button at the bottom. Does that make sense? I hope so. Let's stay with login and surf for a moment and look at Instagram. As I mentioned in the settings section, you can manage multiple accounts. You should log into each of these accounts once. It's very simple. 1. Log into account 1, then log out. 2. Log into account 2, then log out. 3. Repeat for all your accounts. Unlike Facebook, it's not necessary to log out at the end. Simply ensure that the cookie settings are cleared for all other posters, and you're good to go. That's it. Now, nothing stands in the way of your posting.